Now, 2009 is going to prove a very interesting year for digital media in Australia. We've got a number of policies that are about to emerge from the government, some initiatives, particularly in respect of broadband, but on the broader question of regulation that we think are going to have a widespread bearing on both the level of confidence and investment in the industry, and also to broader issues like capacity and the user's ability to actually access the developing services. On the issue of the National Broadband Network, we're obviously in the midst of a process now which will culminate, we hope, very soon in a major commitment to a build that will deliver Australians unprecedented internet speeds. Within the Internet Industry Association, we have carriage providers as members, and obviously they're very interested in what the build will entail for them. But equally as importantly, we have content providers and media players that are champing at the bit to provide end users with enhanced services over superfast broadband. And I think that's the area of greatest excitement and anticipation in the industry. There are new models that are ready to emerge, but that will be dependent on the delivery of always-on and high-speed services. As any observer would realise within the industry, it's the development of video and the incorporation of media-rich content into basic services that has been the big development over the last couple of years. We saw that with the advent of YouTube, but clearly that is now morphed into general media offerings. So even your mainstream media websites now are looking at video as the killer application for them. The other major priority area for the association this year is obviously in the way that regulation continues to unfold here. We are obviously concerned about policy announcements and commitments that are yet to be implemented in relation to internet filtering. It's a matter of concern insofar as no one is really sure how the policy is going to impact on internet speeds and more broadly on the way in which the internet is perceived within Australia. We're concerned about the reputational implications for this jurisdiction in international terms. We're concerned that policies that are perceived internationally to be adverse to the interests of the internet may in turn be a deterrent for innovation and investment here. So, notwithstanding our shared concerns with the government and indeed all major political parties for protecting children on the internet, we have to make sure that we get the balance right, and to that extent we are working in constructive engagement with the government to ensure that we do get policies that are effective and workable.